Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg chow mein at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of chow mein noodles, 2 large eggs, and your favorite vegetables like cabbage, carrots, and bell peppers. Don't forget the essential sauces: soy sauce, a touch of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those noodles and eggs ready. Boil your chow mein noodles until they are perfectly al dente, then drain and rinse them with cold water to prevent sticking. Next, whisk 2 large eggs and quickly scramble them in a hot pan with a little oil. Once cooked, set both the noodles and the scrambled eggs aside. This ensures they are ready to be added later. Time to stir-fry those vibrant vegetables. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your wok or large pan over high heat. Add your sliced cabbage, carrots, and bell peppers, stir-frying for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, pour in your prepared sauce mixture, which typically includes soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and a little sugar. Let it simmer briefly to combine flavors. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for our delicious egg chow mein. Add your cooked noodles and the scrambled eggs back into the wok with the vegetables and sauce. Toss everything gently but thoroughly, ensuring the noodles and eggs are well coated. Serve your hot, flavorful egg chow mein immediately. Enjoy this quick and satisfying homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.